This is my projects page. Here you can create new projects and manage the ones you already have. You can have multiple projects per account, which is useful for organizing your API keys and managing access to them. Let's create one more project. Great, the project is created. You can easily switch between projects using this selector. On the Project Overview tab, you can edit the name of your project. Get the project ID, which is very useful when you contact our support team. Share your project with others or transfer ownership. Delete the project and all the API keys when you no longer need them. Under the Account menu, you can find options to manage your account settings. Here you can update your email address and password and delete your account. We designed the My Projects console to be simple and easy to use. However, please feel free to contact us if you have any questions. You can find our support email address in the description of this video. Moreover, you can always contact us via our chat.